wrap and stick, so you don't have to climb. You can do this on the ground. But for example here, you're going to hold for 10 seconds. And then if you can, you're going to switch back to the other side. Hold 10 seconds. Remember, long arms, creating your V position, hollow body as much as you can, and trying to switch in the air. Now remember, you don't have to be at this level yet. Let's look at some different skill levels. Alright, so when you're first learning that wrap and stick, this might be what it kind of looks like. Alright, she's actually doing a really good job because she just hangs there, and she allows herself to just kind of hang. But then you want to stick that foot, right? That's why it's called the wrap and stick. So this is the first progression in learning a climb. You can see how she's crossed her ankles, and this is very common at first. But you want to put the bottom of the foot on the fabric. All right, let's try that one more time. You got this. Oh, closer. And the main thing is continuing to just try for that goal. Bottom of the foot on the fabric. Alright, you're going to see how the bottom of the foot is on the fabric. Good, and then you're going to switch to the other side. Oh, missed one strand. That's alright. That might happen. Alright, good. Recovered that. Good job. Arms are straight, creating that triangle position, that space between you and the fabric. Very good, very good. So you're going to see here how it's going to look different depending on your skill level. Let's mosey on over. Let's check it out. Very good. You do want to get to where you can hold for 5 to 10 seconds on this and just drill it. And this is going to significantly strengthen the entire internal body, the internal core system. And we're going to end here. And you're going to see this so you can climb up. That's your goal. And then you're going to hold on your stick. Arms are long, engaged in the shoulders. Hollow body as much as you can. And then you're going to switch in the mid-air after holding 10 seconds. Finding that position again with the arms. Hollow body, breathe. Finding that strength. And again, you would switch in mid-air. And remember to subscribe, like, and share to our channel, and we'll see you in the next one.